So hello guys, my name is Prashant. Today we learn about the ladder of maths by Siddharth Chaudhary. That's lecture 2. In previous lecture we completed phrase 1 to 3 and also completed about the Siddharth Chaudhary, the author of this chapter. So without wasting time, let's move to the topic. We started from phrase 4. Now let's begin the phrase 4. Phrase 4 is Kedia is the consummate consumer, a true child of his times. He has to buy things randomly to life, to survive, to find a purpose for his life. When he consumes, he lives, buying in his brand of nirvana. If new car is not launched in next 6 months, he may simply fold up and die. Phase 5. Back to the story now. There was Rup Singh standing behind the counter and Kedia in front of him, shouting at another man who looked just like Kedia, gold watch and all, gesticulating frantically and shooting in the same breaths. They were both very angry with Rup for some reason for the other. Normally I wouldn't have stopped because every few days or so Kedia shout at one worker or other. He is the president of the Honor Association and he takes it very seriously, but it was Rup, his open, confident face and erect, bearing an innate pride in himself, the sense of defiance and wonder honor in his eyes that made me pause and look over the scene in a new light. A totally astonishing thing happened then. Rup said to Kedia, "But it is not my fault, sir. I was just doing my duty." In impassable English, albeit with a little lit of rustic accent. Now this is a wonderful, I thought. I could suddenly sense drama in the lazy December air. Kedia is stupid and he can't believe he has heard right, and nor can his friend, for it has to be his friend. I can deduce it from the shock on their faces. The right of snobbery have suddenly been reversed. I am sure Rup too can see it in their eyes. I am interested now, but I realize how trivial the problem really is. Kedia is now all red in the face and bluster breaks out of it like hot air from a punctured balloon. Phase 6. You talk English to me? How dare you talk? Phase 7. I just said that I was doing my duty. I am not a rascal. I do understand English, Rup said to Kedia in Hindi. Yet I will kick you out. Rup keep quiet at his and containing his anger, but just barely. Then I intervened around this time with the usual, "What is the matter, Mr. Kedia?" He turned and looked at me. Normally he doesn't even acknowledge my presence, but that day I should. She was glad that I was there. She thought of me as an ally against the class enemy, but soon I would prove to be the contrary. Oh, Ritvik, good you are here. He started to speak in English, but I guess better sense prevailed and he switched over to Hindi, which was worse than his English. But anyway, my friend Mr. Sharma, here a man, smiled and I smiled back, came to see my 15 minutes back and this idiot of guard wouldn't let him came up to my place. Phase 13. I came here every week and he's never happened to me before. He wanted me to talk to Mr. Kedia over the intercom, and when I refused, He physically stopped me from going upstairs. Phrase 14. I felt embarrassed in being involved with something as stupid as this, but still I said he was only doing his study, and moreover, he is new and doesn't know you. Phrase 16. He insulted my guest. Kedia shouted, but there wasn't much conviction in his voice anymore. So guys, we completed from phrase 4 to phrase 15. In next lecture we started from phrase 16. I hope you enjoyed this video. So drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In next lecture we completed this. Maybe we completed this lesson. If not completed, in next lecture we completed. So bye guys. See you in next video.